Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swag Scare. Today we would be preparing an Italian dish which is veg lasagna. So to prepare veg lasagna, I have taken a bowl and to this bowl I'll add some refined flour which is maida. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of maida and I'll need some vegetable oil. I'm going to add half cup of vegetable oil. Now I'll add some salt. So you can add salt according to your taste and preference. Once I've added all those three ingredients, I'll mix it thoroughly so that there are no lumps formed. Now I'll add some baking soda to it. So this baking soda is almost about half tablespoon of baking soda. Now add it and mix it thoroughly. I'll add some water. We'll have to prepare a very soft dough. So we are preparing this dough to use it as lasagna sheets. We don't have to buy lasagna sheets from outside. We will prepare a lasagna sheets on our own. What I've done here is I'm not adding water altogether. I'll keep adding water gradually so that I get to know how much water is needed. I'm kneading it thoroughly now. So you can see the dough is almost formed now, but I'll knead it for another 2 minutes or so just to make sure there are no lumps. So you can now see how soft the dough is. I'll cover it or I'll top it with oil so that this dough remains soft. Now I'll take a wet cloth. There's a damp cloth and I'll cover it and leave it aside for 20 minutes. I'll leave the dough for 20 minutes so the dough is completely set. It remains soft. So this is the dough that we have prepared for lasagna sheet. Now it's almost been 20 minutes. I'll check my dough. So you'll find that it's even softer now after 20 minutes. What I'll do now is I'll make 4 equal portions out of this dough. Now that we have prepared the dough, we would have to prepare some vegetable fillings for the lasagna. So what I'll do is I'll take a non-stick pan. I'll put on the flame and to this non-stick pan I'll add some oil. So here I'm taking almost 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll put the flame high now. I'll let this oil get hot and to this I'll add some chopped garlic. So here I'm taking 3 tablespoons of garlic. I actually love a lot of garlic, so that's the reason I'm taking a little more garlic, and I'll add some chili flakes to it. So you can see that the oil is too hot now. I'll add some oregano. I'll keep stirring this for some time. So that when you see that garlic becomes translucent. Now I am adding some chopped onions. So this I'll also give it a mix. I'll keep stirring it for some time. I'm adding some corn. I'm adding soya granules. So you can add vegetables as per your preference, but I have taken here carrots and capsicum. I'll stir fry this for few minutes and then I'll add some salt. So once you add some salt, veggies will leave water, so you'll find that the veggies will get softer, but make sure that you put the flame on medium now. Now I'm adding some coriander leaves. I'll keep stirring it for some time and after some time I'll add this chili powder. Here I've added red chili powder and pepper. I've taken white pepper here. I'll mix it for some time in low flame. Then I'll put off the flame and I'll let this veggies cool for some time. I'll keep it aside for now. So friends, now it's time to prepare our lasagna sheets out of the dough that we prepared earlier. So what I'll do now is I'll take a rolling pin and a base, and like we normally prepare our chapatis and rotis, I'll keep rolling this portions of dough until it becomes round in shape. I'll try to prepare it as thin as possible. So you can see now my round lasagna bases or sheets are ready. So I'll prepare all the four lasagna sheets now in the similar way, and I'll take a pan, and in that pan I'll just make sure that I prepare like we prepare roti. I'll just put it in the pan and I'll make a roti out of it. Now when it is dry enough, I'll take a pan in which I have already added some Mexican sauce, or which is a pizza sauce. So if you do not have pizza sauce, nothing to worry, you can use tomato ketchup. Now this is the white sauce that I'm using, which I have prepared out of butter, maida, a little bit of sugar and milk. So now I'll add all the veggies that we prepared for filling. I'm adding some grated cheese onto it. I'll add some more of white sauce. I'm again topping it with another lasagna sheet, and I'll keep repeating this until I use all the four sheets that I prepared earlier. So you can see I'm just topping it with all this veggie fillings. Then I'll add some cheese slices, topping with a grated cheese again, then adding one more lasagna sheet on top of it, and finally I'm dumping all the white sauce that he had. So you can see friends, it's getting cooked now, because I'll just leave it like this for some time. As the sheets were already cooked, like we cook our chapatis, so I do not have to flip it. I'll just leave it like this for some time, and I'm using a pizza cutter and cutting it into slices. So you can see my lasagna is now ready. I'm having it with some tomato ketchup. If you want to have with the green chili sauce, you can have it. So my lasagna is now ready, friends. You can prepare it on your own, give it a try, and let me know how you like it. So yeah friends, if you like my channel, just keep subscribing, just keep liking and give it a thumbs up. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.